This beef and onion lo mein is ready in 25 minutes. Tender beef, sweet onions, and a rich savory sauce. My family asks for it every week, empty bowls guaranteed. This is one of those dishes that brings people fast to the table and keeps them coming back for seconds. Slice the beef flank against the grain. Did you know every ingredient in the marinade has a purpose, and this is why I use them. Place the sliced beef in a bowl and sprinkle with salt. Mix until the beef absorbs the salt. Salt enhances flavor and slightly breaks down muscle fibers to tenderize the meat. White pepper adds a mild heat and earthy aroma. Soy sauce provides saltiness and umami taste. Dark soy sauce deepens the color and adds a touch of sweetness. Shaoxing wine enhances aroma and removes any gamey flavor. Egg white tenderizes the beef. Cornstarch seals in the moisture and creates a silky texture. Oil locks in moisture and prevents sticking during cooking. And we're gonna marinate the beef while working on the other ingredients. You can marinate it for longer if you have more time. Slice the yellow onion, shallot, and scallions. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein noodles in the pot and cook for about 3 minutes or until al dente. Be careful not to overcook. They will continue cooking during stir frying. Rinse the lo mein in cold water to stop cooking. Drain. And now let's make the stir-fry sauce. Add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and chicken stock. You could also use water. Whisk. In a wok over high heat, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Transfer the beef to it. Avoid stir-frying it immediately. Let it have a beautiful sear before touching it. Stir-fry it for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion, shallot. Stir-fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Add the noodles and stir-fry for about 1 minute, tossing to coat with the aromatics until the noodles are heated through. Add the beef, sauce, scallions, and bean sprouts. Quickly stir everything together. If your family is anything like mine, this lo mein won't last on the table very long. It's quick, satisfying, and full of flavor. To make it into a meal, pair with my egg drop soup. Visit here for the recipe. Absolutely love it. It's so delicious. Comment below and share with me your favorite add-ins for lo mein. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. And subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow, step-by-step, 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye!